In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale an entire project using project settings. If you've ever imported assets that are way too big or too small, or you need your entire scene to match a specific real-world dimension, this walkthrough will save you time and keep everything consistent. Start by opening the project settings. Look to the top menu, click Edit, and select Project Settings. This is the central place where you control global parameters for your scene. And it's also where the scaling tool lives, so you can affect everything at once rather than resizing each object manually. Inside the Project Settings window, find the Scale Project button and click it. This command is specifically designed to uniformly resize the entire project, preserving the proportions between all objects. It's especially useful when you want to maintain relationships between models, lights, and cameras without introducing distortion. A new window will open, asking you to define your target scale. You have two straightforward options here. The first is to enter a percentage. For example, typing 10% scales the whole project down to 1/10 of its current size. This is great when you know the relative change you want: half size, double size, or a precise fraction. The second option is to enter a physical unit, which is helpful when you're matching a known real-world measurement. Type a specific size, such as 20 centimeters, and the software will scale the entire project so that it aligns with that dimension. This is ideal for product shots, engineering previews, or any scenario where accuracy matters. Make sure your project's unit settings are what you expect before you commit, so centimeters, meters, or inches behave consistently with your target value. Once you've set your desired scale, click OK to apply it to the entire project. The software will resize all objects in your scene accordingly, keeping their proportions intact. This global approach ensures that distances, object relationships, and overall composition remain consistent, just at a new size. After applying the scale, take a moment to review your scene. Check that models, cameras, and lights still frame the way you expect, and that measurements match your intent. If you're experimenting, remember you can undo and try a different percentage or physical size until it's perfect. That's it. You've scaled your entire project quickly and accurately using project settings with both percentage-based and precise unit-based options at your disposal.